Welcome back. This is Nathan Ziegler, upper school principal at Hope Academy in Minneapolis. This is day 3 of a magic trick, some dad jokes, and some encouragement for your day. Got a pack of cards and my magic box. I'll show you the cards. And what I'm going to do is take the pack of cards and put them inside of the box. Now when you see a magician cut a person into 3, they use blades. So today I'm going to use these cards as blades. And I'm going to cut the top part and the bottom part of the pack like that. So you can see that I've cut the pack. Now I'm going to move the middle section of the pack out. You can see it's cut all the way. Put it back in and take the 2 blades, put them back in the pack, and show you that the pack is all back together, just like that. Today's theme is jokes about colors. What's red and smells like blue paint? Red paint. What's red and bad for your teeth? A brick. And what would you call the United States if everyone had a pink car? A pink carnation. Hey, can you throw that back? I need it for the riddle.
Sorry, that was a bad throw.
The answer to yesterday's riddle of if you take 2 apples from 3, how many apples do you have? Well, if you take 2 apples from 3, you have 2 apples. And today's riddle: if a doctor gives you 3 pills and tells you to take 1 pill every half hour, how long would it take before all the pills have been taken? If the doctor gives you 3 pills and tells you to take 1 pill every half hour, how long would it take before all the pills have been taken? I will give you the answer to that one tomorrow. And your encouragement for today is from John 16:33, and these are the words of Jesus. He says, "I have told you these things so that in me you may have peace. In this world you will have trouble, but take heart, I have overcome the world." And so when we think of anything that we could be going through, it says in this world you will have trouble. And so there's no guarantee that life will be easy, but we can know that Jesus has experienced trouble beyond what we could ever imagine, and he has overcome this world. And so that is the hope that we have. Have a great day. I will see you again tomorrow.